I condemn the move done by the Chhattisgarh government of arresting two innocent nuns, Sister Vandana Francis and Sister Preeti Mary. They were arrested on grounds of human trafficking and on grounds of forced conversion. आनीक हे जेन्ना लोकांमध्ये हो देशभर जेन्ना हे व्हायरल जालें म्हाका दिसता द BJP government in Chhattisgarh was forced to even delete the Twitter posts that were out. The court gave them bail and observed that it was just mere suspicion. This was done by a right-wing outfit of the ruling party. आणि आज जरी तर दिसता मायनॉरिटी मध्ये एक भिरांत झालेली आसा इन द स्टेट ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री एंड इन गोवा ऑल्सो देर इज फियर एंड एन्झायटी इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द पीपल दॅट सर्टन नॉन स्टेट एक्टर्स जे पड गोंयांत येतात आमची पीस जावं हिंदू भाव क्रिस्तांव भाव आनी मुस्लीम भाव मध्ये जी पीस आसा ती पीस पाड घालपाचो प्रयत्न BJPचो केरळाचो स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट चंद्रशेखर आणि एक राजीव चंद्रशेखर याने एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग म्हणून होईना होई म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री ऑल्सो नीड्स टू क्लियर दी एअर आज ज्या पद्दतीन ऑल द मायनॉरिटीज और पीपल हॅव टू गो टू कोर्ट सीम्स टू बी द रिलीफ देन व्हाय डू वी हॅव अ गव्हर्मेंट व्हाय डू वी हॅव टू लिव्ह इन फियर आज डिमांड्स आहे अबाउट पॉवर डिपार्टमेंट हांव सदांच म्हणटा की पॉवर मिनिस्टराक एक कला आहा एक आर्ट आहा सदांच पॉवराक रावपाक कोणालो पावर कोणा दिवपाक कोणालो फ्यूज उडोवपाक रायट टायमार मागीर खूंय पावपाक तो सारको नंबर 1 जालोलो आसा बाब सुदीन धवलीकर पूण जरी तो तेगेले फिगर चोयल्यार लोकांक तेणे पावरलेस केलेले आहाय तो पावर आहा पूण लोकांक पावरलेस केले पावरलेस कित्याक केले 600 कोटी सुमार रिकवरी आहा प्रत्येक विधानसभे आमी म्हणटा की हे रिकवरी तूं केन्ना करतलो श्रीमंत लोक इंडस्ट्रीचे लोक एंड वॉट इज शॉकिंग electricity department itself have not paid their bills. Government departments themselves have not paid. आज because of a mere 200 crores recovery, he has hiked almost close to 6%. And एजा ओजो परिणाम आज बारीक जनतेचे जातलो. So if we look misplaced priorities, why is he not recovering the dues from industrialists, from commercial establishments? आज बारीक जनतेन जरी तर बारीकशे बिल हारी केलें न्ही जाल्यार कनेक्शन तो कट करता तो सरकाराली कोणाय कनेक्शन कट करपा जाय तो सगळे जाणा व्हीच टायमार कितें करपा तो सो ही हॅज फेल्ड आय बिलीव टुडे टू रिकवर दीस ड्यूज दुसरे न्यू रिन्युएबल एनर्जीचे जायते स्वप्न आशिल्ली प्रधानमंत्रीचे स्वप्न आशिल्ले की गोवा विल कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट 150 megawatts towards the solar grid of the country that has promised to the world, but we have failed miserably in the solar energy. Today EV policy सारखी चलना सारखे चार्जिंग स्टेशन ना सारखे लोकांमध्ये जे एक ग्रीन एनर्जी प्रमोट जावपाक जाय this department has also failed. Several other things you will see today, I believe during question hour as well. We will make sure that we expose this.
युरी बाब तुम्ही फोर्सफुल कन्वर्जन म्हणले तेन्ना आमी पळयता की CM खुबदां गोंयानूय असल्यो हे उलयता की अशें आमी जावपा दिवपाना कारण तुमकां दिसता अशें गोंयानूय अशें चलता काय?
See, I am making जाता जाल्यार it is the duty of the chief minister to highlight it. I have highlighted an issue that has happened in Chhattisgarh and the epicenter today is all across the country. Khas karun even in the state of Goa, it has been seen because mere suspicion. So anyone calls up, anyone belonging to a non-state actor or an outfit calls up and says that they are doing forced conversion. This should not be the case. This absolutely, there are laws. Forced conversions should not happen. That is the duty of the government. But the BJP president of Kerala itself is on record that it was wrong. The Chhattisgarh government itself deleted several tweets. So this is a very serious issue. That Ami Manipur today the Prime Minister is silent. And last assembly session we had raised what happens in Manipur, why it will not happen in Goa. So what happened in Chhattisgarh, the Chief Minister's duty is to assure the people of the state that it won't happen in Goa. So we'll see what happens.
A smart meter is coming, but the government is forcing for the common people to move that meter out.
So exactly, smart meter padha, the tender was about close to 487 crores. आणि या सरकारान बीड डॉग्स अप बीड आहले अडानी आणि एकलो DG स्मार्ट म्हणून 90% ओवर. That means 890 crores out of which 70 crores will be borne by central government, 820 crores on the Aam Janta. 820 crores has an agreement of 93 months that the contractor will be given the amount. If you look at that, that is about 110 crores. Goa today has 7,28,000 consumers. So how much of this, approximately say 110 crores in a year, Aam Jantecho as a parinam जातलो. So forcefully people will have to be forced to pay extra. And second, the logic, जेन्ना 39,000 लोकांक नोटीस दिवपाचो प्रयत्न काढला हे सरकारान, शिफ्ट करपा जाय म्हणून, जे it cannot be read. So on one side you say that you are putting smart meters, on one side you are saying to shift the meters. So pratyek jante, consumer, to shift those 39,000 odd thing will roughly 10,000 तरी लागतलेच. That is to be borne by the consumer. So what is the logic? Smart meter पढात मुजान आता app hazar, I can pay my bill here. The department can see it from anywhere. So what is the logic of this smart? I don't know what Sudhin Dawlikar has been influenced by the smart city. This smart city and smart city को नोडेला. आणि हे smart meter बी in metro cities चलतंय. आणि चोय मर तू 490 कोटी रुपया झाले 890 कोटी रुपया. 90% rise. And कोण आन हारी करपा जाय? तुही हारी करू पडले. तुही हारी करू पडले. आम जनतेन हारी करू. So हेजेर म्हाका दिसता you see misplaced right.